Good morning, everybody. Get back to our work. So, all of you take your EVS book in your hand, open page number 115 and get set. So, let's start with our today's chapter. Okay, now our name of the today's chapter is chapter number 15, from market to home. Like from market, how these people we have seen in the chapter, how this family they are bringing all the vegetables from the market, that is mandi. From the mandi they are bringing back to home, and after bringing back to home, what they do, they all separate all the vegetables. Okay, fresh ones different, then not ripened different, over ripened in a different. So different categories, they just separate all the vegetables, like we can see in the picture how the family is doing. And they finish this kind of work by 7 o'clock. Okay, before 7 o'clock all the family, yes, they finish their work. They have to do early in the morning, because by 7 o'clock father, that is the vegetable vendor, they have to go in the market to sell the vegetables. And if he is late, then might be the buyers, yes, they get shifted to another one and they buy the vegetables from the different sellers. So like this, the vegetable vendors cannot earn their livelihood, so they have to go early, as soon as possible. Okay, now here the girl is saying that she has to get ready and she has to go to school by 7:30. So remember, till 7 o'clock she was busy with the work. Yes, now the father has gone. Now 7:30 she need to go to school. So see how hard work they are doing. They are helping their family, plus they are going to school also. So let's move towards our next page, that is 116. Here it is said that Chotu means what? The younger brother. Okay, the small ones. Chotu attend the school in the morning. He goes to market at 10 a.m. Okay, so he is attending the school in the morning by 10 o'clock. Early in the not early in the morning. Morning 10 o'clock he go to the market. Okay, with food for father and bhai. Okay, the elder brother and father, they are busy in the market for selling the vegetables. So this boy Chotu, he goes to the market. He takes the food, that is the tiffin. Okay, for the father. He stays with them at the vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to school. Okay, so he stay over there, yes, and he take the tiffin, he go to the market, and then he stay over there for some time, for some minutes. Yes, and by the time the school after some time it is time to go to school, and then he go to school. Okay, so you got that. He go to the market, it's the time for him to go to school. Yes, he go away. Sometimes he go directly from school to help his father, and now he is going to school from the market only. Again, from the school also he is not coming home. He is coming back to the market to help his father and brother. Okay, now father try to sell previous day vegetable first. Now this is the common thing. Whenever we go to a vegetable vendor, what they do? Yes, the previous day whatever the vegetables has been left, yes, they sell it first, because if they are not going to sell it first, what happen? They are going to get rotten. Okay, so they sell it first so that the fresh one can be sold later on. Do you get that? So this is the reason behind. Okay, now some questions are there. Father sell the previous day vegetable first. What do you think he does this? As I explained, if he will not sell the previous day, then what happen? The vegetables within 1-2 days they will get rotten. Okay, rotten means I have said decay, which is not fit for eating. Okay, so this is the reason. Now, have you seen dried or rotten vegetables where? Okay, have you seen any dried or rotten vegetables? Have you seen anywhere? It can be anywhere. It can be either in the market also. Yes, when we go, they just keep it aside and they say, these are not good for eating. We are not going to sell this. Yes, we need to throw it them, or we need to give it to the animals to eat. Fine. Or at sometimes at your home also. At home also, have you seen some vegetables? Yes, if the mother not uses them, what happen? They stay and they get rotten. So this is the thing asked over here. Okay, how do we know that the vegetables were rotten? Okay, how do you come to know that the vegetables are rotten? They are decay. Now, it's a common thing. Yes, if there is a frosting come fungus. Yes, grayish layer comes. Then second reason, if there is a bad smell. Third reason, if there is having any worms in it. So these are all the things. By seeing these things, we can identify these are not fresh. Yes, and they looks very pale. The vegetables, like they are not. By looking appearance also we can say, if it let us take a lady finger, if they are green in color, we can say they are fresh. Okay, soft, tender, fine, they are fresh. If they are not soft, if they are not tender, if the color has been gone down, that means they are not fresh. So these are some of the things. As the previous day's vegetable got sold, Bhai takes out fresh vegetable from the sack and put them in the cart. Okay, now very first they sell the previous day. Yes, the day before vegetables, whatever was left, they sell it. And then now this brother, what he is doing? The fresh vegetables from the sack. Sack means the big the big thing. Yes, in which they put all the vegetables they had brought. So, and the brother take it out all the fresh vegetables and then they put it in the cart. He also keeps sprinkling water on the vegetables so that the vegetables do not lose their freshness. Okay, and they do not get dry up. Especially in summer, father and Bhai return around 10 o'clock at night. Now see, by the time 10 o'clock in the night, these people, they come to home. By then Chotu and I sleep. Everyone sleeps around 11 or 11. See, they have to wake up early in the morning. That's why they go to sleep early. Okay. So by 10 o'clock today. Okay, now read the chapter accordingly and do your work.